Good evening and thank you everyone for joining this webinar. My name is Dr. Amit Borse and I am a Senior Product Manager with IVA, a division of Emcure Pharmaceuticals Limited. Emcure is a pioneer in the field of gynecology and IVF. We are very happy and thankful to Dr. Jyoti Malik ma'am to give us an opportunity to be the academic partner for this event. We would also like to announce that this is our 95th webinar in this COVID times and we are very proud of it, and thank you all the fraternity for giving us this opportunity. Programming 28 is a theme for this year, which is based on the scientific concept of managing ovarian cycles with gonadotropins, GnRH analogs and hormones, and hence our webinars are known as Programming 28 webinars. May I now introduce Dr. Alka Jain ma'am. Dr. Alka Jain ma'am is a senior gynac working at Sehgal Hospital, Delhi. She is a vice president of DGF, Outer Delhi. I will now invite Dr. Alka Jain ma'am to please take over the session.
Thank you very much for the kind words, and good evening everybody. Today we have a topic, endometriosis, which is an enigma, and we'll be discussing it. But to kickstart the session, I would like Dr. Jyoti Malik to come forward, who is our energetic and very dynamic secretary of DGF Outer Delhi. She has many feathers to her cap, and none of them is the least. All of them are very bright. She is the medical superintendent of JJ Institute of Medical Sciences, Bahadurgarh, and Director Roots IVF and Fertility Institute, JJMS. She is also Vice Chairperson, Haryana Chapter of Indian Society of Assisted Reproduction, Secretary, Haryana Association of Registered Obstetricians and Gynecologists. She is Joint Secretary, Delhi Chapter Ispat, Joint Secretary, Haryana Association of Gynae Endoscopy, and Secretary IMA Bahadurgarh. She is also the founder president of Jhajjar Obstetrics and Gynecological Society. She is a very enterprising, dynamic gynecologist, and I think it is my privilege to introduce her and ask her to please take the mic.
Thank you, Dr. Alka. It was wonderful, but in presence of the stalwarts that we have together, I think we should not have wasted time on my CV. In fact, I'm so privileged to have these three dynamic, super ladies. I mean, I really don't, I am failing to find words today. In fact, I really am so blessed to have all these three dignitaries here, and none but first and foremost, I would like to introduce our FOGC. Can I have the slides, please, of the CVs? Dr. Amrit, can we have the slides? So, Dr. Professor Shanta Kumari ma'am, and I think I would like to start with the saying that we generate fears while we sit, but we overcome them by action. And Dr. Shanta is one such lady who is so very energetic and has thoughts, actions, mind, and whatnot. She is a combination of every lady would like to have. We can all read this CV of hers. She was the chairperson FOGC ICOG 2018, a member of FIGO Group, Vice President FOGC 2013, IAG Managing Committee member, chairperson, has so many awards, and organized AICOG 2011, 2012, FOGC FIGO 2017, 18, 19, achievements, CL Javeri Award, Scientist Award, and she has been a FRCOG, FRCPI, ICOG Secretary, initiated DHEERA, and a corresponding editor for Journal of Obs and Gynae, Vice President FOGC. Ma'am, I think we are blessed to have you, and we are looking forward to your presidential year next year. Next slide, please. Again, I think I don't find words, and for Shada Jain ma'am, a person who is as good a doctor as a human being. I mean, I have not seen a person. I was in fact amazed when she phoned me up personally and told me that you talk to that friend because she is in pain. So right sitting at her place, she can sense who is whose friend and who needs a support where. So ma'am, आपके लिए शास्त्रांग प्रणाम करती हूँ, and I would say that you always pass failure on the way to success. So it is something which, and if it matters to you, you will find a way. That is the strategy you believe in, and we can see your CV here. You have won the Teacher of the Teachers Award. You have been a member of the Ethical Committee of MCI. You have so many Lifetime Achievements Award from IMA, from Lady Harding, from DGF, from ESAR. You are the founder chairperson of Pushpanjali Crossley Hospital, a founder director of Life Care IVF, a founder secretary of DGF, a forum that Delhi, you have bound together the various boundaries of Delhi by this DGF. And now your passion of the 360-degree care, the doctors' training and safety of doctors. Ma'am, thank you so much for joining us today and blessing us. Next, please. So a lady who who is my teacher, mentor, sister, everywhere. When I sleep, I wake up, I talk to her. I mean, Dr. Ragini Agarwal, a dynamic lady with a head on her shoulders and a grace in her personality and a mind and personal care beyond words. Thank you so much, Dr. Ragini ma'am. Everybody knows you are the vice president of this presidential of this present year 2020. You have been a founder of so many various societies, the Gurgaon Obstetric Society, the Haryana Association of Obs and Gynae. You have been the president-elect of the Aesthetic and Regenerative Society of India, president of Indian Cosmetic Dermatology, of High Age, that is the Haryana Association of Gynae Endoscopy, founder National Committee and Indian Menopause Society. So founder of so many organizations. And as a VP, we are already seeing how much you have been working towards the present international conference that is about to come in the next 3 days. Next, please. Dr. Tarini Taneja, my personal friend, my guide, and a person beyond words, president-elect of UP State, of ISPA chapter, a president-elect, a chairperson of Delhi ISAR, and a chairperson was a chairperson Breast Committee, an international member FIGO, a very down-to-earth lady, a president of Manzil-e Rahat, doing so much of community work as well. And now, hopefully, we also wish her a best of luck for these elections for Vice President for her next year. Next, please. Dr. Kishore Rajurkar sir, Head of Department of Minimally Invasive Sanjay Gandhi Hospital, ex-SRO ICMR, a National DNB Examiner, Finance Secretary IMA Delhi North Zone, of Foxy BOH, a chairperson of PCPNDT Delhi, and a president of DGF Outer Delhi. And under his presidentship, we are doing this today's webinar. Welcome, Dr. Kishore sir. So after inviting all my dignitaries, now again, I would give it to Dr. Alka Jain to please invite our set of chairpersons. Dr. Alka, please.
Thank you, Dr. Jyoti. I would like to introduce our chairpersons. They are very esteemed and eminent personalities who are very well known to all of us, and we are very grateful and honored to have them with us. Dr. Professor Sudha Prasad. She is President Indian Fertility Society. She is also Director of Matravita Advanced IVF and Training Center, New Delhi. She has a teaching experience of more than 34 years. She is Professor former professor and IVF coordinator. She's an IVF and Reproductive Biology Center, Maulana Azad Medical College, New Delhi. She was Vice President FOXI 2019, President AOGD 2016 to 2017. She's Chairperson Infertility Committee AOGD 2009 to 2011 and member Infertility Committee FOXI 2007 to 2009, then 2016 to 2018. She's she's also Secretary General Indian Fertility Society from 2014 to 2016. Fellowship in IVF and Reconstructive Tubal Surgery from Baylor University, Texas, USA. She started the first low-cost IVF at public sector institution. She's former Dean Faculty of Medicine, Medical Sciences, Delhi University, 2015 to 2016, and she received the State Award by Government of NCT, Delhi, for doing meritorious service in the field of healthcare in Delhi in January 2003. She is awarded short-term fellowship to Hungary under Indo-Hungarian Educational Exchange Program in July 2006. Welcome, ma'am. We are really honored to have you. Next chairperson, Dr. Mala Srivastav. Dr. Mala Srivastav is Senior Consultant and Professor, Gangaram Hospital, Delhi. She's Gynae Endoscopic and Robotic Surgeon at Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi. Ma'am has special areas of interest in gynae oncology, gynae endoscopy surgery, and gynae robotic surgeries. And she has special training for Fellow of Minimal Access Surgery and trained in robotic surgery, Statworth, France. At present, she is our president of AOGD 220 to 2021. Madam has many credits to her name. She has been the zonal chairperson of ISO BAR, executive member of AOGD 2019-2020, member of Governing Council of ISCCP, Secretary ISOBAB Delhi Chapter, executive member of IMS Delhi Chapter, executive member NARCHI 2018-2020, national corresponding editor of Journal of Obs and Gynae of India from 2017 to 2019, chairperson ISOBAB Quiz Committee 2018-2020. She is an ex-president of Alumni Association of GRIPMA 2014-2016 and chairperson of the Community Health Committee of ISOPAP 2015 to 2017, chairperson of Cervical Cancer Awareness and Prevention Committee of AOGD from 2016 to 2019. She is joint secretary of IMS 2016 to 2019. Member of Endoscopy Committee of AOGD 213 to 2015, member of Endoscopy Committee of AOGD 2015 to 2017, member of Oncology Committee of AOGD 2015 to 2017, member of Safe Motherhood Committee of AOGD 215 to 2017, Joint Secretary of Alumni Association of GRIPMA 2012 to 2014, Joint Secretary AOGD 2008 to 2009, Executive Member of IMS Delhi Branch and Joint Secretary NARCHI Delhi Branch. Thank you, ma'am, for joining us. We welcome you.
Dr. Alka?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can, because since we will shorten the introductions a little bit. So,
yeah.
Yes, next.
Okay, I'll do that. And our next, Dr. Professor Mamta Dagar. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome. Her special areas of interest are high-risk pregnancy, preventive oncology, gynae endoscopy, and robotic surgery. And ma'am is the secretary. She is the secretary, Association of Obs and Gynecology, Delhi, 220 to 21, and she's a senior consultant OB and Gynae and Professor Gripmer, Institute of Obs and Gynecology, Sir Gangaram Hospital, New Delhi, India. Welcome, ma'am. Next is one of our esteemed chairpersons is Dr. Bindu Bajaj, who's professor and consultant in Safdarjung Hospital with WHO Fellowship in HRP 2007. She has a PG certificate course in hospital management and has many national and international publications. Her special field of interest is infertility and laparoscopy. Welcome, ma'am. and Dr. Anita Rajoria. She is our eminent chairperson, and she is also uh, for elections for the chairperson of Food, Drugs and Medical Superintendent Equipment Committee. She is a AOGD Delhi member, and she's the head of department OB and Gynae, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel Hospital, Government of NCT of Delhi. And she's a wonderful Foxin and inspiring gynecologist of North India. Please, ma'am, you're welcome, and please give us your pearls of wisdom.
Thank you so much, Dr. Alka, for introducing all our wonderful chairpersons. And now I would request Professor Dr. Shanta Kumari ma'am to please bless the webinar with her pearls of wisdom.
Thank you, Dr. Jyoti. Good evening, everyone. It's really a pleasure to see all my favorites. I can see Sharda Jain madam. I don't know, when I met her, I fell in love with her. Madam, I met you, I wish I had known you from earlier days.
Everybody says so, ma'am.
I know. And real pleasure to be here in this AOG program. And thank you, Ragini, for having me here, my dear friend, and Asha Bakshi. Wish you all the best for everything. And let me be very honest, I think my connection with Delhi actually strengthened with Dr. Ashok. And I used to visit very frequently, though, Delhi for many occasions. When I met Sharda Jain madam during the course of my visits to Delhi, I have become very close to many people in Delhi whom I would not have met otherwise in the conferences. So I'm so happy I know you all. Only thing I'm feeling sorry is, madam, I was supposed to come and take your blessings in person. I thought I'll finish the ISAR conference and come to Delhi, and we went into lockdown. So as soon as it opens up, I'm going to come all the way to Delhi to meet all the friends, and I'm going to have lunch or dinner at Sharda madam's house. And I wish the CME and webinars, we are doing wonderful work. Tarini is also doing great work. Wish you all the best, Tarini. This year, you all are very lucky. You are visiting all the places, but you are not as lucky as we were, because we could go personally and take a lot of blessings from seniors. But I wish these webinars are actually reaching the unreached. One of the president's theme, it was the past presidents of Foxy. There are many people who are sitting in their own chambers, in their homes, far away, but they're able to access the webinars. And the feedback we are getting is that they are finding it very, very useful. So there are some who crib the too many webinars, but I feel it is a really good way of imparting knowledge. Those who want to log in, those who want to be a part of the academic session can do it. Those who don't want need not log in. So I hope this academic connect will keep us together, and I hope this ends soon. And dear friends, please take care of yourself.
Hello.
Family, before anything, because you have to be safe to take care of your patients. And I hope we can meet soon in the future. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Shanta ma'am. It would be a pleasure to host you in Delhi. We would love to see you here again.
I've told that to Mala and your Dr. Mamta Digar, the AOGD president and secretary. So yes. Hopefully
so by the time you come for the president, hopefully the COVID would go down and we can meet personally. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, ma'am, Sharda Jain ma'am, can we hear your words of wisdom?
Nice meeting everybody here on this particular platform. My real sincere wishes to everybody who's aspiring for in Foxy. I find this is a progressive disease, it's a debilitating disease, and we still do not have it. I think 2020 is trying to settle down, that whatever has been fogging in our mind are beginning to get clear. And I think this particular academic activity today is going to appear a lot of clarities in the mind will be there. So with these words, all wishes for this particular.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ma'am, Dr. Ragini Agarwal, ma'am, just a few words before we introduce our speaker now, the next speaker.
Yeah. Jyoti, thank you very much for such a kind and beautiful introduction. I am really humbled. Respected Sharda Madam, dear Shanta, Tarni, Mala, and other friends and dear viewers. I will not stand between you and the academic feast. You are going to have a wonderful session on the endometriosis as the chairperson endometriosis committee, Asha Bakshi, and all big many academicians are there. So thank you very much and wishing you a very good academic learning and the organizer very best. Thank you very much. Over to you, Jyoti.
Thank you, Dr. Ragini, ma'am. Actually, there are two Ashas, so there is a little confusion. Dr. Asha Rao is the
Asha Rao and Asha Bakshi both.
Yes. So
Both.
Dr. Asha Rao is the chairperson, and may I now request our chairpersons to please introduce our speakers so that we can now get going.
Hello.
Mala, please introduce our speaker.
Hello.
Give a welcome address.
Yes.
Yeah.
May I have the slides? May I have the slides? Hello.
I think
Everybody, I'm from AOGD.
Dr. Mala wants CV of Dr. Asha Rao.
Yes, I want CV of Dr. Asha. It's my pleasure to be part of this virtual learning program on endometriosis, ending the endless enigma. I take the opportunity to welcome our first speaker of the day, Dr. Asha Rao. She's the chairperson of Endometriosis Committee, AOGD. She's the director of the Rao Hospital, Care, Coimbatore, chairperson, Endometriosis Committee. Asha Rao is the director for the postdoctoral fellowship program and endogynecology and is affiliated to Tamil Nadu.
And we are not able to hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to introduce Dr. Asha Rao to the audience. Dr. Asha Rao is the director, Rao Hospital. She's the chairperson of Endometriosis Committee. She's the director for the postdoctoral fellowship program, endogynecology, and is affiliated to Tamil Nadu MGR Medical College. Past president, Coimbatore Obs and Gynae Society. Organizing chairperson, Yuva Foxy South Zone. Organizing chairperson, IAG's Star Endogyne Conclave. And she's the recipient of President of India Gold Medal. We are waiting to hear from you, Dr. Asha. We don't want to waste any time and let the scientific program go on. Over to you, Dr. Asha.
Thank you so much for those kind words. Good evening to one and all here.